welcome. My name is Melissa, and I do have a couple of boxes to unbox for you. Now, this is a Grove unboxing. However, I do have one item that I ordered from Amazon just because Grove did not carry the other product that I needed to go with something I bought from Grove. So I'm going to go ahead and open the one from Amazon first. And it's quite large. As you can see, I'm reaching up. I do believe that this box is much larger than it needed to be. It's only got one item in it, but I did have like a tall handle, so bear with me. I'm hoping it didn't get damaged or anything, because it was on its own. Yeah, it's like half the size of this box. Like, this is on the floor and you can't even see the top. Look, here's the top, and I'm on my knees. Okay. So, Amazon did packages it like Grove does, but the paper. But I think I gave myself a paper cut. Lay that down. It is the full circle toilet plunger. Now, Grove does not sell the toilet plunger, but I wanted to get the toilet brush and the toilet brush or plunger to match. I felt like the toilet plunger just sitting outside beside the toilet looks so gross and nasty, but they didn't have the Grove doesn't have a toilet plunger. So I tried to find something that might match it, and I found Full Circle on Amazon. So I got this for sale. I think it ended up paying less than $25. It was $24 or something, like $24.95 or something. So let me open this. See. It says, innovative plunger tucks neatly in a sleek ceramic holder. Dry earth in base absorbs water, preventing mold, bacteria, recycled aluminum, and bamboo handle. No slip, no scratch base. So it's basically the same thing as the Grove brush. It just does, it says Full Circle instead of saying Grove. Now, I don't know if they're like sister companies or something, but they look like they literally have some of the same exact products, just with a different name on them. Because, like, you know, Grove has this thing in their plunger, and I looked over on the Full Circle site, and they have basically the same products, but like different colors or something. So if you guys know, just let me know if like they were the same company and switched over, or if they're sister companies, or you know what I mean. Like, so here's the ceramic dish, and there's that plate in there for the dry earth. Here's the plunger, and this one comes out like it's that's supposed to give it like that extra suction, and then you can flip it back in to be like more like for sinks and tubs, and then you pull it out for it to be more like for the toilet. I did not know this, but I did learn it by watching YouTube videos. So that's going to look a lot nicer than what I've got right now. I'm going to sit on my bottom, because right now I'm sitting on my feet, so hang on. And yes, I am sitting in my bathroom. Thought it'd be nice to have this cute little background. Okay, so let's get into unboxing the Grove box. I'm so excited. Like, I paid attention to the site for so long. Like, every day I was watching it, and I caught this, like, deal that it was, like, there, and then it was gone, and I ordered right as it was there, because I've never seen a better deal for this toilet brush. Like, it's been lowered, because it was, like, 30, and then it's been lowered to like 27 something for quite some time, but I caught it when it was at 22 something. It was nice. Okay, so let me see if since I've been telling you about it, let's start with that. And to be honest, these ceramic holders are way lighter than I expected them to be. I thought they would be, like, heavy. Oh, see? It says Grove times full circle on this one. So it's literally... See, this just says full circle. But this says Grove X full circle. See? So it is basically the same thing. So I'm really glad, because I wanted them to match. If I can open this. Maybe. There. My handy dandy opener. Okay, this one says toilet brush with replaceable head. Grove Collaborative. See what the back says. Toilets meet your match. For a greener way to clean, use this toilet brush with a replaceable head and a base plate made of diatomaceous earth, which is absorbent and resistant to bacterial and mold. Same as the plunger. Okay, here is the toilet brush head. Here is that disc. See, so that also says Grove and full circle. So, like, maybe they're collaborating. Collaborate. Yeah, that's probably what they're doing. They're just collaborating. But I just wonder why they put their name on it. That sort of thing, you know? On this one. Okay, let me see. Where's the handle? Aha. Alright, so let's get this put together. Oh, these are hard bristles too. So that's really gonna get it clean. I feel like it's in there, but it's not. Maybe it just doesn't lock. So there's the handle. Matching set. So excited. It's gonna be so much nicer looking in here. Okay. I do have the brush for these heads. So it's like that, where you can switch out the brush part and not have to buy the handle again. So I got a set of those. I got a set of, don't remember buying these ones, but I did get the walnut scrubbers, walnut and cellulose scrubbers. I got, this is my first time trying any kind of laundry products from them, but I got really excited because everything was on sale. So, these are the lavender scent. This is gonna sound bad, but it kind of has a citronella scent to it. Like, it's light. but it kind of smells like citronella to me, and not so much lavender. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm positive I was not supposed to get peppermint, but I got peppermint. Pretty sure I was supposed to get like a cedar something or other. Oh wait, this is what I got for the free gift. So this one, maybe I didn't choose it. And I can definitely smell the peppermint, but you can also smell like that homemade soap smell. That's not as great. It kind of has that off smell. But you can see all the little pieces in there. Made with organic coconut and olive oils. Maybe it's the olive oil that I don't like, because I don't necessarily think that smells good. Okay, and then another thing that I wanted to point out is, like, you can get these, and then you can get, like, just the top part, like this, and then the top part as a 3-pack, but these are the only ones where you can buy, like, 3 packs of them at once and then get a deal on them. So like by choosing these together, it was only like 10 something, when it would have been like 4, 6, 12, like 12 something. So I got a deal and got a discount on these. I have not tried these yet, but they definitely feel more abrasive than like this does. Thought I'd give those a try, and then I got, I'm pretty excited for this, the laundry detergent dispenser. So these were on sale for like 12 something, and they are usually I want to say closer to $20, so like maybe 17 something, but these were on sale for 12 something. It says Grove. It's got that frosted glass. Ugh. And I got 2 of those, so here's the second one. And I thought that this would come with this rubber piece on it, but it actually came with the white piece on it. And then this separately. So this says Pure Power. And here's the detergent that goes in here. And it is lavender and rosemary scent. 95% bio-based, no synthetic fragrances, dyes, or optical brighteners, ultra concentrated, powerful stain fighting formula. That's why I got it, because it's stain fighting formula. Let's smell it. I can smell the lavender. And it kind of has that, like, sinus opening smell to it. But it smells a little more like, what's that stuff you're supposed to rub on your chest? It comes in a little tub, and you'd stick it here so you can breathe. That's kind of what it smells like. So not amazing. Smells better than this, though. We'll see how it works, though. I really want it to be able to clean my clothes mostly, right? So we'll try that and see. And if not, let's see. Should I just try something else? I don't know why I smelled that, but it kind of smells funky. Alright, here's what that looks like. And you're supposed to, you put it on there, and then you set it to, once you get the detergent in there, you're supposed to set it to lock. So you twist this, and then there's a line here. So you set it to lock, and then once it's in there, you tip it upside down, let that that thing that I showed you on the inside, fill up, and then you tip it back over, and then you unlock it, and then you're supposed to be able to just pour it. Now, people were saying that the handle feels flimsy. Without anything in it, it's not so bad because it's not as heavy as you would expect it to be with it being glass. It should be. I think it'll be okay. We'll see. Alright, so let me open the other one just in case. Probably nothing different, but maybe. We'll see. Okay. Okay, nope. And it did come with the white rubber base. And so I do plan on getting the fabric softener to put in here. That, or maybe grab the cold water detergent. And maybe the 7th generation softener. And then lastly, I got this for free with the soap. And this is a bamboo soap saver. Cute. I don't know where I'm going to put this yet, but we'll put it somewhere. Alright, well that was everything for this unboxing, and I'm super excited. Love cleaning with Grove stuff. Hopefully the detergent works, and hopefully it smells better once your clothes are washed in it. This too. It's like, I don't know, just like a better smelling citronella. Smell to me. It's weird. But we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Bye.